fireworks, man. We finna blow the city up. You feel me? We about to go crazy.
New year, new us.
New year, new me, you heard me? Yeah. I'm so excited for this video. I cannot wait to show y'all this video. 2023 is my year, for real. I'm gonna hit 1 million subscribers one day. I'm out there. Yo, welcome to LUVABOYDEE. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy LUVABOYDEE, and I am back with another video. As y'all can see, I got my work clothes on, so I have like working like 2 more hours. But happy New Year's to everyone. I love y'all so much. And today we will be popping fireworks. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and turn up on notifications. See y'all when I get off. Hey, how y'all doing? It's New Year's, and we finna go buy fireworks, so we on the way right now. I'm gonna hit y'all up as soon as I get to the fireworks stand. Alright, happy New Year's to everybody. Got some good stuff in here though, Destiny. Destiny, pick what you want. They do got a lot of stuff in here though. Let's go over here. Destiny, you wanna get one of these 110 shots? For my family. So they got this, the neon canister shells, y'all. You want that over there? Full set? But it's not stuff that go in the sky though, that's the thing.
How you know that?
Cause I know that. There's only like 2 things that go in the sky over there.
Then let's find something that go in the sky.
We're not trying to find no little fireworks.
We trying to go big,
I'm trying to blow something up. Alright, look, we're gonna do this. We're gonna get one of these. Yeah, let me see how much that is. $42.
$42.
42. Damn. You breaking my pocket.
Both y'all got one.
220 shots? Oh my.
Ooh, y'all look at all this.
That is crazy, dog. Destiny, why you ain't get a basket?
Woo!
Oh, you should've got a basket, dog. We walking around here be like, we don't got no money. Get what? Nah, I don't want that. If we get like 2 of these, right? It's gonna be like $80. So
right.
We might as well get some like 6 shells over there. Happy New Year's to everybody, yo.
Happy New Year's.
So what we doing with this?
I thought y'all was buying it.
Alright, let me put it down. Look, one of y'all gave this to me.
No, she gave that to you.
Yeah, she gave that to me, bro. How many shells in this? I don't know. You want to just get this one big one? It's gonna be all out.
No, how much it is?
The 110?
It's 120.
Oh, look how much we got though. Yeah. Alright, so y'all, we spent like $200 on fireworks. Yeah, we gonna get that one.
That's it.
I don't know how much it is.
See, 24 different effects.
Alright, we gonna get this one. That's 120. We gonna get this.
This one.
Wait, which one you want?
This one. It say the number one in the
The
world.
number one in the world.
Which one we should get? Any, many, not more.
I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know.
Which one we should get?
Let's get that one.
This one?
That one?
Alright, then we gonna get this one.
Alright.
Now, this one heavy, yeah.
It's heavy?
Sherm. Mr. Sherm.
Y'all, this is sweet.
It's 130.
Oh, this 130.
Are you sure you want this one?
Better be 130.
Man, come on,
$30.
brother, come on.
Alright, we gonna get this one. We gonna have like $70 left.
We can get this one.
Yeah, let's get a little cheap one.
And I want some little small.
Gotta cheap. Destiny getting a little knick-knack stuff.
Little stuff.
I'm gonna get like 2 of these.
Put
So
on.
now,
Oh wait, no. I'm gonna get 2 of these.
Y'all, we are finna blow the streets up.
Finna blow the world up.
hey,
Up,
hey,
up.
hey.
Come on.
Alright, that's it. That's how much you got left over. Y'all, so we getting this. Tell you the truth, it's like 120, as y'all can see. We getting this. What's it right here for right now? But how y'all doing? How y'all feel right now? I know y'all feel good watching. You might as well get something else.
No.
Wanna get a small one of these?
Small one.
Like a little cheap one? Come on, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna get a little cheap one.
Yeah, I'm walking so slow.
We're gonna get something like this. We trying to blow.
I know it.
Man, we trying to have the whole world looking like, whoa, hey, look.
We just gonna get one of these.
Maybe we gonna get one of these. Just
All right,
one.
come on. Let's get it then. You don't make me know. Never mind. You
Okay.
gonna have fun this year. We didn't get to pop firecrackers because it was my fault because I ain't had no job. But thank you, Mama Dukes, for giving me some money. I got you when I get paid. You already know. I love you so much. Let's see what
Kids,
you
no
gotta say.
cow.
Thank you, mother. I love you.
Alright, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Boy, kind of happy a little bit.
Hey.
So, we finna go by my auntie house, but we finna pick Destiny's friend up. I'm gonna show y'all the total for some of you spending. I love y'all, LUVABOYDEE gang. I've been rocking with me for like 11 months now. I love y'all so much.
How many you think we're gonna need?
We probably need like 2 or 3. That's the last one?
Yeah. It's alright.
That's
You want me to stop?
It's so heavy.
New Year.
162.
Yeah.
Let's go get another one of those. Blackjack. 172. Trying to spend the whole thing.
Trying to spend the whole thing?
Yeah, come on. Okay, can we get for $10?
Do it right now.
I can't get that for 10.
Yeah, we gonna need those. We gonna need those. Okay.
All right, 2, 4, 6, 8. All right. Like $80. Feel good though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm good.
Yeah, we about to turn up tonight, ain't it?
Yeah, we finna turn up the red.
Out of the streets, black.
What? This ain't gonna be the last either. I love fireworks. I've been loving fireworks.
I love fireworks. I'm telling you, I'll be saying them.
You too. See y'all later. I love y'all. LUVABOYDEE gang. I'm out. As I can see, we have made it to my auntie house. She bought the fireworks in there right here. And it's the cannon. You feel me? A little fireworks in the bag right here. You can see a little something. You know what I'm saying? I bought another black box, as y'all can see. But yeah, we finna blow it up. You're out here with my cousins and my sister and her little friend. All right, let's get to it, y'all. But all the neighbors probably sleep, but guess what? We're gonna wake them up. You feel me? Let's get to popping these firecrackers, man. Let's get to it. What y'all trying to light first?
This.
Why you ain't trying to light this up? Oh, look, we're gonna light this black box up. We're gonna do that. You know? All right, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna light this first. You feel me? So let me open it, dude.
Are you ready? Oh my God.
I'm ready.
Oh,
That's
Lord.
where your little stick at. Yeah, I got you.
Got it.
So yeah, gotta light this first. I'm gonna use the lighter, y'all. You my little cousin, man. My little cousin so pretty.
Hey, mama.
My cousin's so pretty, y'all. Alright, y'all. So look, this is for everybody that been supporting me. Thank y'all so much. I'm gonna put this in there. Come on, this. Blow that thing up.
Y'all back up, back.
Come on. Stop shaking. It's not lighting because she's shaking. Why is she shaking?
Stop.
Alright. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna light another one, you heard me?
Hey, what you do?
We out here, you heard me? We're gonna light another one for them, you heard me? Alright, this is my turn now. I'm finna light it, you feel me? I'm about to light this one. Happy New Year to y'all again, love. Love y'all so much, you heard me? Yeah.
Oh,
What y'all jumping for?
I ain't jumping. I ain't jumping.
What y'all jumping for?
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Let's get it. See him over there, huh? I see y'all running over there. Oh, shit. Who wanna light the next one, you heard me? Who's me?
Yeah, come on. Let me light it.
Alright, cuz about to light the next one, you hear me?
Hold it up, put that bitch on. I gotta untie it.
Yeah, you gotta untie. We finna have fun out here, you heard me? Destiny, you having fun?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. That's how we do it, you heard me? That's how we do it. I love everybody and this for y'all for supporting me. Oh my God, I didn't get that one.
You didn't get it?
No, I didn't get it. That's how you would do it. I ain't gonna count, like when you record me, like I like how you record me, you feel me?
I know you do.
You don't gotta be like that. Yeah, alright, we about to do another one? Come on, man. Ah! Ooh, that bit look cool. That bit small. Alright, my turn now.
Do this.
Alright, do one. Alright, let me see. Alright, so y'all look. Turn up with me. I'm gonna shoot it this way. Shoot that bit this way, y'all. Ooh, that bit poop.
You gotta shake it.
That bit poop. That bit poop. Yeah. Like that. Ooh, that bit cool. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
That's me shooting a gun.
Oh yeah. Come on.
That's me shooting a gun. He's really shooting a little, you know, a little fire, right?
Boy, dancing. Hey.
Okay.
We got two more.
Come on,
We got two more.
He got like one.
Come on, man, like one.
Come on, say. Hey, brother.
Hey, y'all, this one right here is gonna be a wish to all my supporters. Like, I love y'all so much, man. Happy 4th of July again, baby. Oh, I got scared. All right, what we got? We got one more?
We do two at a time.
We're gonna do that with the big one. For real. All right, come on.
I wish somebody would run up on me. I'm a dude to
I'm
me.
hitting with that candy lighter. Oh, I got it.
You lost my lighter, boy. We about to hit, you heard me?
All right, let's get it, man. You know what I'm saying? I do another one on them, boy. All right, we about to light that V. Hold up. Y'all got scared, huh?
Nah, I ain't get scared.
All right, yeah. I'm gonna stand right here just like this. Woo. I ain't gonna lie, that bit pretty though. I ain't even gonna catch y'all. Y'all ready? All right, y'all, we're gonna get another one of these. So this the one, Destiny lit. All right, we're gonna pop that bit. Oh,
Don't be scared
I
now.
like these, Destiny. Destiny, you'll go for that. Woo.
Keep shaking it.
Ooh. Ooh.
Come on, that TT house.
It's done. It gotta be done.
All right, let me do one.
Alright, so my cousin, he finna do one, y'all. Boy, about to do one.
What he at? Let me get one. Little drip check, you hear me?
A drip check, that's it. Alright, y'all ready?
Come on, let me see the lighter.
Here you go. Oh, Lord. I like that. Destiny, girl, you goated for that one. Destiny really goated for that one.
Hey, the car can't see.
Car can't see? I'm sorry. Right, come on. You want to pop one more?
We pop.
Pop one more of those things that Destiny. Just say that for Destiny. Dude. How you like that right there, boy? Oh, Lord, y'all, look at Destiny. My God, look at her. You good? You straight?
You good, straight?
How you feeling?
I'm straight.
I'm about to throw it. I'm about
Throw
to throw it.
You know you don't have to do that like that. Now your boy got a light.
The car can't see.
Yeah. That boy gonna crack. Throw it.
I'm gonna throw it. Why you got scared?
You
That
can't-
boy
you
got
can't.
scared. That boy got scared. We gonna be all day with these little firecrackers. We gonna be all day.
Throw it.
So y'all see.
Man, you don't throw it. You
I ain't even
tweaking,
scare
son.
y'all
You
like that,
tweaking,
for real.
son.
I
Y'all
ain't-
looking, he always trying to play. Got time to play. Nah, he about to do something. Look at him.
Oh my God, bro, for real.
Look at you.
I'm sorry.
Choo.
I'm sorry.
He's I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ah! You laughing at me, huh? Ah! Y'all love fireworks. I ain't gonna count to y'all. really love fireworks. Like, fireworks is just my thing, bro. I'm so hungry, though. I ain't even gonna. Y'all ain't even eat nothing.
I ate me some.
What you ate?
That bit behind you.
Been behind me. What? Hey, y'all, let's pop the big stuff, y'all.
For real?
And call it a day. Come on. Did you pop all these?
No.
Why you not popping these?
By the way.
Man, you don't know we all gonna fight, right?
Stupid. Hey, so y'all, we got this shot right here.
Got fireworks. Hey, explore. Be safe, kids.
Be
Oh, we
safe.
throwing 3 at a time is crazy. We're gonna need 3 people to fight at the same time. So
Yeah,
that,
y'all paid $100 for it though. Yes, everybody, once again, y'all come like y'all sticks.
come like your
Let's
stick.
hurry up and out of here. Yeah, it's really getting late, and then we gotta go home after this. All right, y'all, here you go.
man,
Here y'all go.
tell my boy, like, you good? Something like that.
Let me try one, cause I spent $130 on this. Like, let me try this real quick. My mama gave me some money. Let's see what that do. That bitch.
Whoa! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, come on. Come on, y'all can do it at the same time. Come on. Put another one in and do it at the same time. 4 of y'all should do it at the same time.
All
Come
4 of us? All right, baby.
This gonna be a dangerous one.
on. You gotta be quick with it.
You gotta be quick with that, bitch.
You gotta be quick with it. Heard?
What do dangerous one?
Not right now, y'all.
Not right now, boy. You
What's
tripping.
what do dangerous?
On the count of 3. Hello.
I want everybody to make a wish. Hold on.
Oh,
Moment of
wait.
silence right now. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, come on. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That baby go lit. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh!
That bitch so lit.
Fire!
Destiny, what the world? I
Oh my God!
Okay, shut up.
Right there.
Oh!
I like how that bitch sound. Yeah, we do not come to play, man. All right, so y'all, they wanted to light 4 more firecrackers. Y'all, come on. Where y'all at? Come on.
Find out they scared.
Find out y'all scared. Wait, don't do it yet. I'm gonna tell y'all when to go. Y'all ready?
They got cheap.
Wait.
March, get set,
Wait.
go! Oh my God, bro. That was really awesome. Like,
Cause we do ours. Wait.
I liked it, that one. That one was lit.
Come on, Destiny.
Come on, that's what you doing.
I was scared.
Boy, I know they like, dang, they got guns out here. Ain't no guns out here, love. Hey, that bitch was loud, Destiny. That bitch loud. That bitch loud. I'm gonna do the rest of these myself. Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
Wait, hold on. What you mean?
I'm
Wait
gonna do the rest
about that.
by
Oh, I'm
myself.
about to
As you can see, putting it in here, y'all.
Brother. Boom.
Making a lot of noise, bro.
Yeah,
We made it
three.
to 2023, y'all, and I am so happy that I got to live to see another year. And I'm spending
New
it
year,
with my
new us.
cousins and my sister, man. I don't understand how happy
New
I
year,
am.
new us. I mean, people changing and stuff. Oh, that was a pretty one. I got that.
For everybody that believe in me, I thank y'all so much, and keep on these because I'm a
won.
content creator now, and I'm gonna inspire a lot of y'all. Like a lot of more content coming soon. You feel me? Yeah. It sound like a gun, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I think the police might come out here though.
Nuh-uh. We cool. We good.
I hope not. I think that was messed up though. I don't think
Ooh, that was a pretty one. I got that one.
that was a pretty one.
Yep.
Man, it's crazy, bro. It's lit though. I hope y'all like this vlog for real. The video's on.
Ooh, that was a pretty. I got that one.
I'm trying to go against the G, man. It's a G thing, you heard me? Like the baby say, it's a G thing, you heard me? Yeah, it's a G thing. If you ain't no G, don't play with me. There we go. That's how gun sound for real.
Ooh, I got that one too. That was a pretty one.
Hey, that was a good one?
Yeah. We doing the big things. We ain't doing them little things.
Alright, y'all. So now I'm finna like 2 at a time, gang. Nah, this right here is crazy, dog. Y'all, we got like 4 more in, and this is tough, bro. I was trying to do 2 at a time, but one had caught. Like, what? Like, what is you doing? Neighbors gonna be mad at me, boy.
What is you doing?
What is you doing?
What is you doing?
What is you doing? Wanna stay with you.
Oh yeah, another one.
Got 4 more. Sorry if I'm waking y'all up, neighbors. I'm so sorry, but it's a new year. Your boy gotta blow something up. That's it. I already said I'm gonna light the sheets up. Got people popping firecrackers all night. You feel me? Think I should like 2 or 1? 2. 2? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do 2 at the same time. Let's get it.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Oh, I cut it. I like these fireworks. Shit, we gotta get some more fireworks like this.
Ooh, that's so pretty, yo.
Damn, that bit echo.
The echo.
Raining in it, bitch.
It was raining firecrackers.
God came back. About to say, God, take me farther. I don't want to be here no more. I want to go to heaven. Hey, that's crazy, though.
Y'all look, he's scared. Y'all see that?
I ain't scared. 2 gunshots, that was even the hill.
Whoa.
That's so loud, dog. That bitch really ringing, dog.
You're up to here.
Ringing, bro. I'm doing this because this is my first New Year's recording. Happy New Year's to y'all. Light it.
Yeah, it was funny.
Alright, so our goal on YouTube is 100,000, but I'm not rushing to get 100,000. Before I end this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I love y'all, LUVABOYDEE gang. This is the last one, and I'm out. I love y'all. I'm out.
Thank you for watching this video. So can you please like and subscribe to LUVABOYDEE?